Hey everyone! Did you know there's something about the sun that NASA doesn't want you to know? Everything you've been told about our sun is true, but only partly. There are several hidden phenomena and mysteries about the sun that could change everything we know about our star. In this video, we'll uncover the most shocking facts about the sun that could shake your reality. From hidden solar phenomena to massive solar flares that NASA prefers to stay quiet about, we're diving into all of it. Ready to discover what's hidden from us in the cosmos? Stick with us.
The sun is the star that supports life on Earth. But despite everything we know, there's much more hidden beneath the surface of our sun. NASA, of course, actively studies the sun, but like any large scientific organization, they hold back some information. We all know that the sun is a massive thermonuclear furnace, emitting light and heat. But what's really going on behind the scenes? Solar flares and coronal mass ejections. These events occur far more often than you might think. But have you ever heard of them having huge, untold secrets that NASA has been studying for decades? Solar flares are powerful energy releases that can disrupt all modern technologies, from satellites to power systems. But why don't we hear more about them?
What NASA hides about solar flares. Footage of solar flares with animations showing the scale of the explosions. Solar flares are truly powerful events that can affect the entire planet. These flares are sudden releases of highly energetic particles and radiation that can temporarily disrupt satellite communications, GPS systems, and in some cases, even lead to widespread power outages. But here's the thing. Some solar flares are much stronger than we thought. Recent studies have shown that some flares are so intense that they could cause geomagnetic storms capable of shutting down the entire satellite system, or even affecting Earth's magnetic field.
Imagine what could happen if we aren't prepared for these kinds of flares. It's not just a technological glitch. This could be a global threat to our civilization, and NASA might be hesitant to talk about it. The corona of the sun and its secrets. Let's talk about the sun's corona, the outer atmosphere of the sun that we can only see during a solar eclipse. All those bright glowing rays are not just light. These are powerful solar winds that hit Earth every day. But here's what you don't know. Scientists still don't fully understand why the sun's corona is so hot, despite being farther from the sun's surface. Scientists have hypothesized that the corona generates heat and energy through what are called magnetic waves, but the exact process remains a mystery. This is one of the greatest unsolved puzzles in astronomy, and some researchers believe NASA may have access to data that could solve this, but they prefer not to disclose it.
Interestingly, the corona may also be connected to unexpected solar activity bursts. Our solar system and planets could be impacted by more than we realize. The secrets of solar winds. Show graphics of solar winds and their effects on Earth. Solar winds, streams of charged particles ejected from the sun, are a crucial part of the Sun-Earth interaction. They can cause auroras and even impact satellite systems. But there's another secret lurking here. Recent studies suggest that solar winds may be much more variable and powerful than we previously thought. This creates serious dangers for space exploration and for communication and navigation systems here on Earth. For example, during intense solar storms, satellites could be knocked offline, and months of uninterrupted communication could become impossible. NASA is very cautious about releasing this information because too active solar winds could lead to a cosmic disaster. Some scientists even speculate that there is a risk of destroying satellites if solar activity spikes, as predicted for the next solar cycle. Do we have a plan to protect ourselves from this? Right now, no. And NASA might know more than they're saying. Could solar cycles in the future become so intense that they lead to changes on Earth that we are unable to prevent? That's one of the questions scientists can't yet answer. Conclusion. Cut to stunning footage of deep space with visual effects showing solar activity. So what is NASA hiding from us? Maybe it's not just solar flares or the corona of the sun. Maybe it's something even more dangerous, something that lies beyond our understanding. Solar activity isn't just a phenomenon scientists study. It's a force that could change the course of history. And while NASA actively studies the sun, much of what they've discovered remains behind closed doors.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more videos about the most mysterious and fascinating events in space. See you in the next one.